Hi, very good morning to everybody. Today I'm gonna forest. I want to do something right, and on the way you will see the boat left and the right side. You'll see the big jungle. Let's go and have a look, and you're gonna enjoy it, right? Oh, but I'm going alone, so scared. Going on the way, I feel like, but maybe it's okay. Yeah, I'm going alone. Yes, with cycling. I will show you. Oh my goodness, this is very in the morning. You can see the houses. Oh, this is a Kirby and Long. Let's see. Oh my goodness. In Assam, Kirby and Long, Nagaland border. Ooh. So now you can see the boat left and the right side. You can see how big jungle is it. Imagine that if you come, you definitely gonna enjoy, right? And that's what happened. I'm taking you to the forest, and I just want to show you everything. I mean, on a way that I go to the forest, and there we have something that we cultivate. It's quite far from here, a long distance. But let me tell you, just on a way going there, just I want to show you both left and the right side. You see a big jungle. Do you imagine that? I'm going alone right now, and it's quite place, silence, and the birds are singing. You can hear the singings of the bird, and so many things. And small, the road is so not. It is today. It's not raining, so it's okay, quite good. All right, let me show you. Just have a look. Wah! It's faster. How many? All right, per hour 45. Oh, it's so speed. 45 per hour. Moving. Not 50, not 60, not 70, just 45. Because I have to check it well, front and behind. Maybe there are, uh, you see, look at, oh my goodness. Wow, I'm gonna climb here. It's okay, easy. Oh, oh my goodness. You see, the jungle. Wow, big forest, big forest. Wow, it's still going. It's not near, it's quite far. My friend, enjoy watching. Wow. I am going the speed per hour 45 and 40, 50. Oh my goodness. Yes, going slowly. And the northeast, Karbi Anglong. It's a big forest. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I will show you there is another more long journey. A long journey.